Hello, my dear students. In our last class, we have done aggregate function in MySQL, which is included in your class 12 syllabus. So today, what we have seen that there are basically 5 aggregate functions, isn't it? What are they? They are average, sum, maximum, minimum, and count functions. Okay, so these things we have already seen based on the examples I have shown you with an example. So today we are going to see that in practically in MySQL software. Okay, so let's see. This is MySQL window. All of you are aware with this, isn't it? Because all of you have done this in practical exam. So how we will start this? At first we have to see which database we will use. For that we will write what we will write. Use the name of the database. Okay, use like I have created database name here, bank. So here it will be use bank. So database changed. Okay, now after that I have already created one table out here. The name of the table is MPIL, that I have taken as example in last class. So we will do show tables okay, then what it will show? It will show that in the table database bank, one table, that is EMPL, exists because I have already created this table. Okay, now we will implement those aggregate functions in this employee table. Okay, if I want to see what is the description of this table, then what we will do? You already have done in the practical classes of MySQL that to see the data or records, or you can say fields of employee table, we have to type select star from EMPL. So what it will give? It will give the whole description of the table, means what data it consists of. So you can see that this table is having employee ID, employee name, employee job, employee salary, employee address. Then 4 total records are there. So now let's move to our, based on this table, let's move to our function. The first function is average functions. Okay, I already told you that this aggregate function work on groups. Okay, work on number of rows. So just see how we will implement this. I want to see, the question is, I need to find out the average salary. Then the question is what? Display the average salary from the table employee. For that I need to write select, what I need to write? Select here AVG, after that AVG, then what is the name of the salary column? E salary here. So E underscore salary, E salary, this. Okay, select AVG E salary from employee. Then what answer it will give? Just see. Okay, so the answer is 6125.000, means that is salary may be in decimal, so it will display same. So if you will face any problem, then you can do or calculate it manually also. As you know, the formula for average is total sum plus divided by number of records. So total divided by 4, it will be 6125. Okay. Now next is count. Count means how many total records are there in the table. So let's see for that. Okay, select. Simply we will write count, select count, then star. Star means total count I want. So from EMPL. Then what it will give? It will simply see 4. Okay, just try to map this one with the last class examples. Okay, so total count, how many counts are here? Total 4, isn't it? 1 0 1 2 3 4, total 4 records are there. So it is displaying 4. Okay, next is max. Max again is select. Same here, see, select here max, max, then what? Max of salary I want. If there is some more field, you can write that max from EMPL. Enter. So maximum is 10,000, isn't it? That is why it is displaying 10,000. Again similarly same thing I want with mean, MIN. After that enter. So minimum salary is 3,500. That is why here it is displaying 3,500. And the last one is sum. Sum also select. Then here you can see sum. Okay, sum is salary. Just enter. Then this is the sum. Okay, so you have seen here that how this 5 aggregate function has been implemented in SQL window. Okay, now you can map this answer with the examples I have shown in the previous class. Suppose for a review, if I want to see the description of a table, can you remember what we have to write? We have to write DESC, then table name EMPL. Then it will give the description of the table, that how it has been described. Okay, so I'll be giving some questions that regarding this table. Some questions I will provide you that you need to do yourself and you have to practice that. Okay, this much. Thank you.